Okay, so I'm getting a lot of comments that we're not able to open the Keystone species doc or it doesn't look right. And I did also tell you I attached a read-only file for you to look at if your device is acting funky. Okay, so let's go through what all that means. First of all, here's the docx that we're saying doesn't work. It looks like this, okay? Now, depending on your browser, there should have been an icon here where you can open it in Google Docs. Now you're seeing on mine, it's not there. So I go to these more actions, right? It says more actions here. Open a new window. And now it's here, open with Google Docs. So then I can do that. And it looks perfectly normal. See that? It's fixed. So that's what I meant when I'm telling you that you have to open it all the way in Google Docs. Now, other option, okay, if it's just not making sense to you to do that, is there's this fixed read only, okay? Now, it's mine, so I can edit it. It's not going to look like this for you, right? It's you have the view only, right? But when you can open this, the fixed one, you should be able to, copy and paste into a new document if you want to go that route. So you can, when you go to submit, you can make a brand new document, okay? And just copy and paste it from the fixed ones. I couldn't give you your own copy because it was too late. The assignment was already made and some people had already submitted their work, so I couldn't delete it or make a new one or whatever, okay? This is the only route I could have gone, is to give you a read-only file. It was too late to give everybody a copy after people had already submitted work.